explosive and exciting time to be in the industry of cakes and anything to do with cakes. Right now, it's a good place to be.
Fantastic. The level of artistry at this show is something I've been wanting to come and experience for ages. So I'm so excited to be here, and just the level of talent is off the chart.
I love Cake International. I love the cake industry and the artists. So to me, yeah, I love the show. I love the community feel to it. It's fabulous. You can feel the vibe when you walk around, and the wonderful creations as well. Yeah, it's amazing.
International is by far the biggest show, and this is one show that I really look forward to coming, because you meet everybody over here. I mean, people from all over the world, cake artists that you interact with on a regular basis on social media. You collaborate with them, but you come and meet them here. So yes, it's the best show that I've been to. The kind of work that you see here, I don't think you see it anywhere else. So it's the best.
Talking to an awful lot of people, a lot of meetings, talking to a lot of my friends, a lot of the cake artists that I know.
That you probably won't see anywhere else, and it really makes you realise what you can do with cake, and the only limits are your imagination. And when you look around, the amazing, especially the decorative exhibits, they're just mind-blowing, some of them.
Cake International has helped me grow with my career. The show, as you can see, is a huge success. It's a massive show, and every year it just gets bigger and bigger.
You've got to come and see it for yourself, but it's quite magical.